In this video, I'm going to show you how to trim video in Canva. So once you have your video in your timeline, you can easily trim it by simply adjusting both from the left and from the right. So all you have to do is like hover over the left side and just left click on your mouse and drag it inwards, right? So you can drag it to the right to basically drag it inwards, or from the edge, you can go ahead and just drag it to the left side to basically trim it. Now, another way you can easily trim it is by ensuring that you select the part of the video that you want to. And of course, you will right click, and here you'll have the option split. Once you split it, you can go ahead and just select the part that you don't want, click on it, then click the delete key in your keyboard to remove it. And that's how you can easily trim it. I'm going to do it again, and you can right click and you'll be able to trim by to split it. And that's it. Now, finally, the last way how you can do that is the same split, but it's by basically using a shortcut by selecting the parts that you want, and all you have to do is press S on your keyboard. And as you can see, it's going to split those areas, and the parts that you don't want, you can go ahead and just delete them. Now, I'm going to show you one more thing. Now, another way how you can do that is by clicking anywhere on the video. And here, if you look to the top, you will find this option where it says scissors for trim. You click it, and it's going to allow you to trim it. So here you can now click on it and you can adjust the timing. So that could be whatever it is. You can say, maybe let's say 3. You can put 3, click done. And as you can see, it trims as well. So this is another way how you can actually trim the video in Canva. And you can also use the split tool from here as well to split wherever you want. So that's it. I really hope you found this video useful, and that's how you can easily trim your videos in Canva.